Hey guys, I am back here with another recipe with my mom, and because it's carrot season, gajar season, maina bhi. So it's carrot season, so I thought I had so many requests for carrot halwa, gajar ka halwa, and obviously she makes the best. So she's gonna make us some gajar ka halwa.
Yes, gajar ka halwa.
Okay. Every morning there's a vegetable vendor that comes on the street they live on, and he brings a variety of things that are seasonal and available and grown at the moment. And right now this is what he has: cauliflower, beans,
बीच वाली
look at the carrots,
बच्चे हैं उसके
bhindi, beans, more cauliflower, methi, look at that. Starting with peeling the carrots, she's using 3 carrots, making a small bowl of the halwa. And she usually does all the prep sitting here in the veranda or the balcony. And it's such a beautiful space. And this is the house I grew up in. And she has got this love of plants, and the whole space is full of beautiful plants. There is curry leaves, there is holy basil, and beautiful flowers too. Next, grating the carrots. Just grate them, not very fine, not very thick, just medium, and then we can start cooking. So we are in a kitchen, so you can hear a lot of the background chat, and it's taking a hot pan. I'm going to try and translate what she's saying. Hot pan, it's roughly 500 grams of carrots, and we're going to cook it with 1 liter or 1.25 liter of whole milk. नहीं 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 चाहिए पापा, परफेक्ट लाइट आ रही है विंडो से.
अब इसमें हम दूध डाल देंगे.
कितना?
ये 1 लीटर दूध है पूरा मेरा. आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कैसा हलवा खाना है. तो जितना आप डालोगे, मतलब कम से कम ये जैसे आधा किलो है तो इसमें कम से कम 1 लीटर 1.25 लीटर दूध होना चाहिए.
अच्छा, डबल.
हाँ, ताकि वो पकता फिर अच्छे से. अब ये उबलता रहेगा, ये धीरे धीरे सब सोख कर लेगा. फिर चीनी डाल देंगे और अभी और दूध डाल देंगे थोड़ा, धीरे धीरे देखेंगे कम है तो.
Now this is going to cook on low heat for a good 30 to 40 minutes, and we're going to keep stirring it every now and again, making sure that it's not burning and making sure the carrots are softening up nicely. This is how it's looking after 40 minutes of cooking. We have kept stirring it, and now we're going to add 4 to 6 tablespoons of sugar depending on how sweet you like your halwa. This is just a guideline, so you can add less sugar, but I would say around 3 to 4 tablespoons would be perfect.
पतला हो जाएगा.
Adding the sugar adds a bit more liquid to it, and this needs to be cooked off again. So just 10 more minutes on low heat, and we're just going to keep a very close eye on it. Now, while the halwa is cooking, I just want to quickly show you what my mum's neighbors brought for us to eat. And these are theplas, which is a Gujarati specialty. And one of my mum's neighbors is Gujarati, and she brought us these piping hot ones. And my mum has this lovely selection of all homemade pickles, which I'm going to now sit down and enjoy it with the theplas. And here is Puran Poli, which is a Maharashtrian specialty, as one of the neighbors is Maharashtrian, and they are to die for. They are sweet flatbreads. And this next dish is a Sindhi specialty. Has just some freshly made pakwan and some dal to go with it. And these are pea stuffed kachoris, and because peas are in season, everyone is making their own versions in their own homes. Okay, now back to the halwa, which is bubbling away nicely. The carrots have softened up beautifully. They've absorbed all the milk, and now the sugar has dissolved and it's looking perfect. Just chopping up a few almonds, cashew nuts. You can add some raisins if you like, and that will go into the halwa. And after all this time of cooking, almost an hour, the halwa has dried out a bit and absorbed everything. Adding the nuts is just the finishing touch to the halwa, and it's ready to plate up. And just before we plate up, the last thing to go in is some homemade ghee. And Mum's adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of this delicious ghee, which is just going to caramelize it even further and make it more delicious. Just the last 2-3 minutes of cooking so that it absorbs all the leftover liquid. So this obviously is made in India in the winters because carrot is in season, and it tastes so, the carrots in India taste so different to carrots in the UK, at least. I don't know about anywhere else, but they are kind of redder and they are kind of sweeter. Oh my god, that's so good. बहुत अच्छा. Perfect मीठा. It's perfect sweetness. It's not too sweet. It's not. You can't have गाजर का हलवा कम मीठा नहीं अच्छा लगता.
बहुत मीठा भी नहीं अच्छा लगता.
हाँ.
मीडियम.
Yeah, you can't have it too sweet. You can't have it less sweet. But this is beautiful, and it's so simple to make. Obviously, we made a small quantity, but you can just scale it up or down according. You can't really. अब इससे कम क्या बनाएंगे? You can't really make it less than this.
सच में.
Hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. आप नहीं खाओगे बिल्कुल?
नहीं.
She won't eat it because she's already had some.
तुम खाओ.
More for me. कोई बात नहीं.
Okay, bye.
I also cooked the dal snack with her, so you must definitely check out that video. I'll leave the link in the description. Crunchy, and it will keep in a box for a good few days. कितने दिन? 1 month?
महीनों नहीं खराब होती.
She's saying few months, as if this will last few months.
Last एक महीना.
So I'm gonna get the chai strained, and I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this with the kachoris.